Adobe's new insane Firefly shocks the entire industry introduced. Designers, are you ready to take your creativity to the next level? Brace yourself for the next big thing in design innovation. Adobe's latest project, Firefly, is set to take the design world by storm. With cutting-edge features and intuitive tools, Firefly promises to revolutionize the way you work and bring your wildest design dreams to life. Get ready to ignite your creativity and shine like never before with Firefly by Adobe. Adobe Firefly is a cutting-edge tool that uses artificial intelligence and claims to change the way designers work. Adobe's machine learning and artificial intelligence section, Sensei, is behind this. Adobe introduced Firefly into beta on March 21, 2023, during the annual Adobe Summit conference in Las Vegas. Only the text-to-image and text effects beta capabilities of Firefly are presently available. Like DALL-E and Midjourney, their text-to-picture capability relies on a minimal amount of user input to generate an imagined image. If you like typography, you'll love their text effects option, which lets you apply different textures and styles to text. Firefly's artificial intelligence allows it to produce new images, turn sketches into vectors, and complete half-done layouts with little help from human designers. Firefly can produce unique and customized design possibilities for designers by evaluating user intent and recognizing patterns. In a fraction of the time it would take to do so manually, designers can now build visually appealing and interactive experiences using Firefly. Adobe is laying the groundwork for a more streamlined and efficient design process with Firefly, even though just a number of its capabilities are presently accessible in beta. Designers can anticipate further improvements in design that will revolutionize how we conceive about and craft user experiences as more of Firefly's capabilities become available and as AI technologies progress. Let's examine a made-up situation to learn how Firefly operates. Let's pretend a UX designer is developing a food delivery app. The designer has generated wireframes and a basic design for the app, but they're having trouble settling on a color scheme and general style for it. The designer can easily create a mood board for the brand by entering the brand's identification and the initial design into Firefly. Firefly will then evaluate the mood board and produce a design brief along with suggested color palettes, fonts, and other aspects. The designer might use the guidelines provided by this template. After deciding which sections of the template to use, the designer can make any necessary adjustments. Firefly can do more than just make design suggestions. It can also make brand images and vectorize low-fidelity graphics. If the designer wants to make a new logo for a restaurant, for instance, they can tell Firefly the establishment's name, the type of food they serve, and so on. Using that data, Firefly will generate several logo ideas for the designer to choose from and modify as necessary. With Firefly, designers can streamline their processes, generate fresh ideas, and cut down on time spent on mundane activities. Looking beyond Adobe Firefly to consider the bigger picture, the potential of AI in the design industry is enormous. There are several promising outcomes for the design industry that can be achieved with the integration of AI. AI's primary time-saving benefit is to designers. Designers can save up time and energy for more difficult human-involved jobs by automating mundane ones, such as developing design variants based on user feedback. AI may analyze user data to learn about users' likes, dislikes, wants, and pain areas, and then make design suggestions that address those issues. This leads to deeper emotional connections with consumers through more natural and exciting interactions. Finally, AI can aid designers in making their products more easily accessible. Designers may make their products more accessible and usable by a wider audience by considering the needs of people with impairments. For instance, you can instruct your AI to only combine highly visible colors in this way. Firefly has set the stage for radical new aesthetic trends in the years to come. For example, with the help of AI, people of all ages and walks of life will be able to make striking visual content. Artificial intelligence has allowed designers to test out previously unthinkable ideas and methods. Hey, that's all for today's video, but we'll be right back with more soon, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.